Is your touchscreen not working on Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the console. When the touchscreen is not working on Nintendo Switch, first of all, power off the console. Press and hold the power button on the top of the console until it turns off. Then press the power button again after some time and check if the issue gets fixed now. Method 2. Clean the screen. To clean the screen of your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps. Turn off your Nintendo Switch and disconnect any accessories. Remove the Joy-Con controllers if possible. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen in a straight motion from top to bottom. If the screen is still dirty, you can repeat the wiping process. You can now use microfiber cloth if there is moisture or the switch came in contact with water or rain. Make sure not to use solvents or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the screen's coating. Static electricity can sometimes cause touchscreen issues. Try grounding yourself by touching a metal object or wearing an anti-static wrist strap before handling the console. The Nintendo Switch uses capacitive touch technology, which requires your finger to be in direct contact with the screen. Avoid using styluses or other objects to interact with the screen. Method 3. Run the touchscreen test. Go to System Settings, then select Controllers and Sensors. Next, select Test Input Devices and then Test Touch Screen. Wait till the process completes and check again. If the touchscreen is working properly, you should see dots and lines appear where you touch the screen. Method 4. Check for screen protector issues. If you have a screen protector, try reapplying or removing it to see if it resolves the issue. You can take it to the service center to change the protector if you are not confident enough handling it. Method 5. Check for stylus issues. If you are using a stylus, try changing the touchscreen sensitivity to stylus. The setting is only available in System Settings in system version 9.0.0 or higher. You can go to System Settings and select Controllers and Sensors. Then select Touchscreen Sensitivity. Method 6. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact your Nintendo Customer Service Center for further assistance. Explain your issue and let the experts handle your problem. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when touchscreen not working on Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.